State Park. Today is Saturday, I think August 31st, I believe it is. It's a pretty big lake here. I don't know how many acres, but it's probably close to 100 acres, the lake. Do fishing, boating, a lot of hiking around here and stuff, but that's basically what most is here. What we're going to do here today is we're going to walk through the park. See some people out there. We're going to walk through the park. We're going to walk down to the covered bridge. It's made like 1800 or something. And there's also a corn mill place there. And the corn mill, a lot of swimming here. There's a big swimming pool. Corn mill grinding stones they used to use. It's the old-fashioned way how they used to grind corn. Pretty cool. So I thought that'd be a good thing to come check out. So we'll be walking through here for the next few videos here. That you get a look-see of Little Buffalo State Park. Set up for a lot of picnics and stuff as well. Picnic tables, grills are here. There's the big swimming pool, which is probably one of the big attractions here. It's got water slides on it, different things. I don't think there's any diving allowed or something. Me and my family's been coming up here now probably 30-40 years, probably at least 40 years that I know of. Long time. We haven't been every year, but we used to come more often. I know when raising my kids, we used to come up here camping a lot because just down the way is a campground up on the one mountain, and we used to come down here several times a year and go camping. Yeah, we're going to the back part here because we're going to take the trails back through. So it's going to be a several mile walk. As you see the lake, it's a little muddy. We had some rain recently, but beautiful. Okay. Alright, we're back again here. Walk down to the lake here quick. See some people fishing. Good to see some of the people fishing yet.